Welcome to Easy Driver, the most reliable source of automotive information on YouTube. Please like, share, comment and subscribe. Virtual reality in car design and testing. Introduction to virtual reality in automotive industry. Virtual reality, VR, is fundamentally transforming the automotive industry by providing new ways to design, test, and produce vehicles. Traditionally, the process of designing and testing a car has been labor-intensive, costly, and time-consuming. However, the adoption of VR technology allows manufacturers to perform these tasks in virtual environments, resulting in significant time and cost savings. With VR, designers and engineers can create immersive simulations of vehicles and driving environments, enabling them to identify and resolve issues much earlier in the development process. This technology doesn't just streamline workflows, it enhances collaboration, innovation, and safety standards. As the industry continues to adopt VR, the potential for more efficient and sustainable vehicle production grows exponentially. Benefits of virtual reality in car design. Immersive design experience. One of the standout advantages of VR in car design is the ability to create fully immersive environments. In the past, designers had to rely on 2D sketches, clay models, and physical prototypes to visualize a new car model. With VR, they can step into a 3D virtual environment and interact with a digital version of the car as if it were real. Designers can virtually sit inside the vehicle, interact with the dashboard, and adjust seating positions. This immersive approach allows them to identify design flaws, such as visibility issues, uncomfortable seating, or awkward control placements, before a physical prototype is built. This reduces the risk of costly errors later in the process and ensures the final design meets user expectations. Faster iterative design process. VR accelerates the iterative design process by enabling real-time modifications. Traditionally, making changes to a physical prototype involved weeks or even months of work. Now, designers can make adjustments within the VR environment instantly, allowing them to explore multiple design iterations quickly. If a designer notices that a car's door hinge design isn't optimal, they can modify it in the VR environment and immediately test how the new hinge operates. This rapid feedback loop significantly reduces design cycles and allows manufacturers to bring new models to market faster. Ergonomic testing and human-centered design. Car design isn't just about aesthetics, it's also about functionality and ergonomics. VR enables designers to conduct comprehensive ergonomic testing by simulating how drivers and passengers interact with the vehicle. In a virtual environment, designers can test the reachability of controls, evaluate seat comfort and adjustability, assess visibility through mirrors and windows, and ensure safety features are accessible and intuitive. By addressing these aspects early, manufacturers can produce cars that are not only visually appealing but also user-friendly and comfortable. Sustainability and eco-friendly design. The ability to prototype and test in a virtual environment means fewer physical prototypes are needed, reducing material waste and environmental impact. This supports the automotive industry's shift towards sustainability. VR can simulate the use of different materials, such as lightweight composites, and their effects on vehicle performance and fuel efficiency. By optimizing materials and designs virtually, manufacturers can create more fuel-efficient and eco-friendly cars. Virtual design review and approval. Design reviews traditionally require physical prototypes and in-person meetings, which can be logistically challenging for global teams. VR enables virtual design reviews where stakeholders from different locations can meet in a virtual environment to review and approve designs. This reduces the need for travel, saves time, and allows for more frequent and thorough reviews. Team members can point out issues, suggest changes, and collaboratively refine the design in real time. Improved collaboration with virtual reality. Global team collaboration. One of the most transformative aspects of VR is its ability to connect teams across the globe. In the automotive industry, design and engineering teams often work in different countries. Language barriers, time zone differences, and cultural distinctions can hinder effective collaboration. VR provides a platform where team members can interact with a virtual car model simultaneously. Whether a designer in the United States and an engineer in Japan are collaborating, they can view and manipulate the same design in real time. This shared visual context eliminates misunderstandings and ensures everyone is on the same page. Enhanced communication. By visualizing designs in 3D, team members can communicate more effectively. Instead of relying on abstract descriptions or 2D diagrams, they can point to specific components in the VR environment and explain their ideas visually. This reduces ambiguity and accelerates problem solving. An engineer explaining an issue with the suspension system can demonstrate the problem in VR, making it easier for designers to understand and address the issue. Stay tuned for part 2, where we'll explore how VR is used to test cars and enhance safety. See you soon. Please comment, like, share, and subscribe for more automotive information like this. Thank you for watching.